I'm going to take my brother. I'm going to do the lyric prank on my brother, and I'm going to do the one with Katy Perry. I kissed a girl, and I like it. So I'm gonna send the first line. You don't really understand the whole pranking biz, so this may be some word. He was calling me and I told him I want to text, I don't want to talk, so yeah. Yeah, and my brother is in New York, so that's why I say brother, New York, and that's that on his WhatsApp thing, so yeah. Jeez, I'm gonna take 1 hour for reply. Not really hour, but no like text people, and then takes so long. You get me mad. Okay, so yeah, this is so freaking weird right now. Jeez. I'm gonna see the next line and see. Why then you see. Okay guys, so he was taking way too long to text me back, so I had stopped recording, but he texted me back, so I'm recording now, and that was I'm saying I'm gonna send the next line. No. I don't know, me text him, but he might take too long to reply, but me did start recording, but me start recording now, so he reply. Crap, I'm gonna go with emoji. Oh, me there. So I'm try the part that's so on well. No. What else want earring go have to say? Yo, the man in take a long trip and in dead. Mr. Man, if me are dead, me can't text him, man. In take too long to reply, seriously. Crap, me I'll make mistake in the one. Oh, so you come back online now. I put 2 not when me did for put 1. So you go. Yeah. I'm curious why you caught my attention. No, at that next line, I'm curious why you caught. In just I said just try and enjoy it. That's all I'm saying. So I'm gonna say.
Try and enjoy kissing a girl.
No, me never say kissing a girl. This a record where you talk. No, me never say kissing a girl. I'm gonna skip out the other part when I'm saying I'm curious for you caught my attention. That kind of sound weird. So I'm gonna say I kissed the girl and I liked it. I'm gonna put 1 sad emoji. Alright, in the online. You go say yes, sir. Girl, I'm just nervous to know why I answer you. You feel so? I'm gonna think go laugh. You maybe send 1 emoji. In the online and I need no reply. You can burn me, see? I'm gonna send the next line. Him don't know this is a singer, so him not got a clue say I promise. man slow?
Yeah,
He online.
you need to work.
And it don't work. He have be a people on WhatsApp it text man. I go look somebody else prank. Oh yeah, and just read it. I'm good at the one that say what the fuck? You know, type back in and just read it. Yeah, I'm a type now. He said what? LOL. I kissed the girl just to try it. Then go put that. Oh, my boyfriend don't mind it. Yeah, and that's the line goes it. But I wonder, say, what the hell? After me done off the chorus, I'm going to start it. Really? Okay. LOL.
What you know, say you
I hope my boyfriend don't mind it. It felt so wrong. It felt so right. This looks weird. Say I don't know. Yeah, so nice. Well, maybe next time at all. I think someone prank after this. So that, cause we don't text it no more. They take too long for reply. Really? Hear him, Andre? But hear him. Go hear it. That's a joke. He said, as long as it's not a guy, the man won't mind.
I wish I see
You're right. Obviously, you're right. Look out this up on the veranda now. You're right. Obviously, I know. Wait, no. Really? You
Yo!
Okay, guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and stop it now. Yeah, and because I'm gonna call him right now. Yeah, I'm gonna send him a video on YouTube or they always prank each other. He's a mirage. He's a mirage. Oh, we can't stop laughing. This is funny. Alright, so I'm gonna cut the video right just now.